Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning about the different formulas used in Excel. So these I have written over here: sum, count, average, product, max. So today we will be learning about all these formulas. Here are month and expense sheet which I have created. So let's start by creating doing sum of expenses. So let's type equal to sum, press tab, then select from B2 till B13, press enter. So here is the sum of all the expenses, and we can do count also. For count we will write equal to count, press tab, then select from B2 till B13, press enter. So here are 12 items: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. And then we will see the average of the expense. Then we will type equal to AVER, average, press tab, then select from B2 till B13, press enter. So here is the average of all the expenses. Then product, for product we will type equal to PROD, then press tab, then from here till here, press enter. Here is the product. Then max, for max we will type equal to MAX, press tab, then select from B2 till B13 and press enter. So max is 3000. So here from this we can get different answers as per the formulas. So Excel is very smart, as you know, and it can calculate each and everything very efficiently. So that's a quick wrap up about this. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.